Connecting the world, how Starlink is revolutionizing internet access. Imagine accessing the internet anywhere in the world, even the most remote corners. Starlink, created by SpaceX, uses thousands of low-orbit satellites to deliver high-speed internet to places traditional cables can't reach. It's redefining global communication, one satellite at a time. Unlike traditional internet infrastructure, which relies on cables or cell towers, Starlink satellites form a global web in space. These satellites beam data directly to small dishes on the ground, ensuring a reliable connection even in rugged mountains, vast deserts, or isolated islands. For millions without quality internet access, Starlink is a game changer. It improves education, healthcare, disaster response, and business opportunities in underserved regions. Whether it's powering remote schools or connecting remote researchers, Starlink removes barriers to global connectivity. Starlink's ease of use is remarkable. It only requires a small dish to get started. Speeds are fast enough for streaming, remote work, or online gaming, even in rural areas. It brings reliable internet to people who never thought it was possible before. SpaceX's vision for Starlink isn't just about connecting individuals. It's about building a truly connected planet. With plans for even more satellites, the network will only improve, ensuring the internet becomes an essential human right for all. Unlock the future today, watch the skies, and join the movement. If you're as inspired by Starlink as we are, share this video and spread the word about the power of accessible internet. Together, let's connect the unconnected.